Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to organize files in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your File Explorer and go to your files. If you want to organize your files, then click the right button of your mouse and click on Sort By. If you want to organize your files by name, then click on Name. Again, if you want to organize your files by Date Modified, then click on Date Modified. Or if you want to organize your files by type, then press on Type. Or you can also organize your file by size. That's it. So guys, this is how you can organize your files in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.